How to downgrade WordPress 5.6 to an older version. Running your WordPress installation, plugins, and theme on the latest available version is a crucial best practice for using the platform. But sometimes you might need to reverse an update and downgrade your WordPress site. There are methods available for rolling back each element of your website. In this video, I will show you how you can roll back your WordPress to an older version than 5.6. I will show you how you can do that using an SFTP account or a cPanel account. Please note, you cannot downgrade your WordPress from the dashboard, so it is required to have an SFTP connection set up or a cPanel account. The first part of the video is the same for both methods, and it does not matter if you have a cPanel account or SFTP account. Let's open the browser. Write on the address bar domain name /wp-admin. Log in with your admin username and password. You see, I have here installed WordPress 5.6. Let's see how we can downgrade the WordPress. Let's open a new tab. Write wordpress.org on the address bar. Click on Get WordPress. Click on All Releases. Find on this page the version you want to downgrade to. When you find the version you want to downgrade, click on the zip near that version. The version will download. Usually, this file is saved in the Downloads folder. After the file is finished downloading, let's go where it is saved. I will click on the three dots near the file name. Click Show in Folder. From now on, I'm going to show you how to use this file and how you can transfer it with a SFTP account. Right-click on the file you just downloaded. On the menu, select Extract All. Click Extract and wait until the process is finished. I will fast forward. Now we can close all windows that are open. We will need first to make a SFTP connection from your PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for a connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, pause the video and check the description of the video. A connection is required. Let's open WinSCP. Click on Login. Now, on the right part, open the folder public_HTML. On the left side, go where you have extracted the content of the WordPress file you just downloaded. Here, select all files and click on the Upload button. Click OK. If you get a warning about overwriting the files, click Allow All. Please wait until all files are transferred. I will fast forward this process. After the process is finished, open the browser again. Write on the address bar domain name /wp-admin. You will get a notice about the upgrade of the database. Click Update WordPress Database. Click Continue. Now log in to the dashboard. You see now we have downgraded the WordPress to an older version. But how can you downgrade WordPress with a cPanel account? We will close all windows and reset the install now. Open the browser. On the browser, enter your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log in to your cPanel. Click on File Manager. Click on the button Folder from the top. Write the folder name. I will use New and click Create a new folder. Click on the folder you created. Click on the button Upload. Click on Select. Go where you saved the file you downloaded from WordPress and select the file and click Open. Now the file should upload. After it is finished, click on Go Back. Sometimes on the file manager, the file does not appear instantly. Click Reload a few times if the file is not here. When the file appears, click on the file. Now click the Extract button from the top. Click Extract Files. Open the new folder that has appeared. Click on the button Select All. Now click on the folder Copy. On the path, write the path of your WordPress install. Usually is public_HTML. After this, click on Copy Files. Now let's open a new tab. Write on the address bar domain name /wp-admin. You will get a notice about the upgrade of the database. Click Update WordPress Database. Click Continue. Now log in to the dashboard. This is how you downgrade WordPress 5.6 to an older version with FTP or cPanel account. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.